ultra eh. Hindi kami ultra na okay. Ultra na, hindi ako papayag na ganunin mo lang ang tao. Especially oppression. Patayin mo ang bata. Balatan mo, tapos magsibat ka lang. Mahuli ka after 6 days, tapos ma-release ka. Kasi hindi hot pursuit. For as long as there is somebody who conducted investigation and made a follow-up every day, that is still hot pursuit to me. Imposible yung sabihin mo na hot pursuit 24 hours lang ngayon. Makasakay lang yan ng bus, nauna lang ng kunti, habulin mo na, ang polis may pera. Pag sabi siya, sumakay ng eroplano, sabihin ko sa korte ngayon, sabihin ko sa iyo sa mga judges, how do you solve the problem? Eh di, talagang makasibat yung putang inang kriminal na yun. Mahirap yan. It does not fit into the reality of things in our lives today. The law must be dynamic, or you might as well just forgive the... Kita mo, 4 na bata, yung binalatan, yung binasag yung muka, tapos mayroon na naman kahapon. Ayaw ko ngayon. Bakit? Putang ina itong droga na to. You know, during our days, when we were in the romantic